In this video, we will discuss about the rules for naming a variable and the best practices. We can use any names we want, as long as they follow certain rules. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. The letters can have uppercase A to Z or lowercase a to z. A variable name cannot start with a number. We can't use any of Python's reserved words or keywords as variable names. A variable should not begin with a digit or contain any white spaces or special characters such as hashtag it and. Names are case sensitive. For example, a variable x in lowercase is different from a variable x in uppercase. It's a good idea to use meaningful names or descriptive name as it tells the purpose of the variable and its usage. If a variable has multiple words, it is advised to separate them with an underscore for better understanding of its purpose. Let's test the variable declaration using a program. A variable currency conversion value is assigned a value as 100. We can use the print method to print the value of the variable. Once executed, we can see that the value of the variable is getting printed. If a variable has multiple words, it is advised to separate them. If we separate name them with a space, it's not allowed. After making the change and so when executed it give a syntax error as invalid syntax. It is advised to separate them with an underscore for better understanding of its purpose. After making the change and re-executing the program, the error is gone and it prints the variable value correctly. A variable name cannot start with a number. If we use any number, for example 1 before the variable name and run the program, we get an error as invalid syntax. Number can be added anywhere in the variable except at the start. After adding 1 at the end of the string and re-executing the program, there are no errors. We cannot use special characters such as hash, @ ampersand, etc. as variable name. For example, if we use its symbol in the variable name and execute the program, we get error message as syntax error. Cannot assign to operator. We can't use any of Python's reserved words or keywords as variable names. Global is a reserved word, so if we use it as a variable name, we get invalid syntax error. Names are case sensitive. If we change the C in lowercase to C in uppercase and execute the program, we get a name error as the variable is not defined. These are the different ways in which we can name a Python variable.